Hello students, I am a Dr. S.M. Bhati. The objective of today's video is to study method of variation of parameter. As you have seen in previous videos, there are three methods of finding Pi for linear differential equation with constant coefficient. First method was shortcut method, second general method. When shortcut method fails and general method became very lengthy, we can use method of variation of parameters. Consider differential equation of second order of type phi dy equal f of x with d operator standing for d by dx. In this case, CF will have the form CF equal C1y1 plus C2y2, where y1 and y2 are some known functions of x. Now, in previous method, we have not kept any restriction about the order, but here now we are considering second order first. Because differential equation has second order, there will be only two roots in auxiliary equation. Hence, CF will have the form C1 into y1, that is C1 into some known function of x plus C2 into some known function of x. As y1 and y2 are known functions of x, so their derivatives can be obtained. Now we define Wronskian W as a determinant whose first row y1, y2 and second row y1 dash and y2 dash, where y1 dash is a derivative of y1 and y2 dash is a derivative of y2. And you know how to solve determinant. By solving this determinant, we can obtain value of w. By method of variation of parameter, Pi can be written directly by the formula Pi equal uy1 plus vy2. You can see that Pi can be written directly. In previous method, we need a calculation. Here direct we have formula uy1 plus vy2. Here y1 and y2 are known function, because when you obtain CF, y1 and y2 can be obtained very easily. Now u and v are functions of x, and we have to obtain value of u and v by using these two formulas. Fine. So the first is a formula for u and second is formula for v. Once you obtain value of u and v, put them here and obtain Pi. Let's see examples. Solve d square plus 4 in the bracket into y equal tan 2x by method of variation of parameter. Now, the equation has a type phi dy equal f of x. So it will have a solution y equal cf plus pi. We write first a is a phi d is 0, that is d square plus 4 equals 0. Apply the formula a square plus b square as a minus ib, a plus ib. We get a factor d minus 2i, d plus 2i. Hence the root plus minus 2i, that is imaginary and distinct. So we write CF. You can see that CF has a type C1y1 plus C2y2. Okay. So we compare this CF with CF equal C1y1 plus C2y2, and we can obtain the value of y1 and y2. Once you obtain y1 and y2, you can find y1 dash and y2 dash also. What is y1 dash? Y1 dash is a derivative of y1. Because y1 is cos 2x, so y2 dash became minus 2 sin 2x. Because you know that derivative of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x. y2 is sin 2x, so y2 dash is 2 cos 2x, because we know that derivative of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x. Now this is by definition, we have w is equal to determinant first row y1 y2, second row y1 dash y2 dash. Put all the four values here, and you know how to solve determinant. You have to multiply this and this. multiply these two quantity, and when you multiply these two quantity, then we have a minus sign, and after that multiply these two quantity. When you simplify, you can obtain the value of W. You can see that 2 will be common between these two terms, and quantity in bracket is actually 1, because we know formula cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. The role of theta is played by 2x here. In this way we obtain the value of W. By method of variation of parameter, Pi can be written directly by formula u y1 plus v y2. Y1 and Y2 already we have obtained. This is a Y1 and this is a Y2. Fine. Now we have to obtain the value of U and V. We have this formula to find U. So let's find the value of U. So U has a minus sign, and you need to put these three values. Y2 we are knowing, and what is a capital F of X? Capital F of X is a right hand side of differential equation. Okay, and value of W just we obtain, it is 2. So all the three values are known, Y2, Fx and W. Put them here in the right side. So when you put them in right hand side, we'll have this kind of step, right? And here you can see that sin 2x, tan 2x, both are the trigonometric functions of, that is, both are the function of same family, even if there is a product. So we have to make this expression simple so that integration will be possible. So you know definition of tan theta, it is sin theta by cos theta. So we write definition of tan theta here. Definition of tan theta is here. Apply definition of tan theta. So tan 2x became sin 2x divided by cos 2x. Now sin 2x into sin 2x became sin square 2x. And you know the sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and hence here sin square theta, role of theta is played by 2x, became 1 minus cos square theta, right? That means 1 minus cos square 2x. Then you take term wise division. You know the a minus b divided by c is a by c minus b by c. Apply the simple formula. You will find 1 by cos 2x, and you know 1 by cos 2x is sec 2x. In second term will carry minus sign, and cos square 2x divided by cos 2x became simply cos 2x. And now you apply the standard formula. Integration of sec 2x is 1 by 2 log of sec 2x plus tan 2x. Please don't forget this 1 by 2. Now second time is cos 2x, whose integration is very easy. It will be minus, okay, minus sign we have carried. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2. In this way we have obtained the value of U. Now we have to obtain the value of V. So this is a formula for V. Put the value of Y1, put the value of capital Fx, put the value of W. Now again here is a product of two functions of same family. So we have to make this product simple. We put the value of tan 2x, and it is sin 2x by cos 2x. Now cos 2x get cancelled. Simply what is left? Sin 2x. Integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2, and in this way we obtain the value of V. Now put the value of V, this U, and Y1, Y2. Put these four values in this important equation, because this equation supply you Pi as U Y1 plus V Y2. Y1, Y2 obtained from CF, and just we obtain U and V. Put them here in right side. When you put them in right side, we have this, and when you multiply this bracket by 1 by 4 and cos 2x, you will find that first term and last term get cancelled, and only this will be left. And complete solution is y CF plus PI. Put the value of CF, put the value of PI, just obtain, and we can get this solution. I hope that you understood this example. Let's see now second example. Solve this differential equation by using method of variation of parameter. We have this differential equation. First we find CF, fine, and once you find CF, compare the CF with C1 y1 plus C2 y2, obtain y1 and y2. From y1 obtain y1 dash, and from y2 obtain y2 dash. While obtaining y2 dash, we have to apply product rule. Why? Because value of y2 contains product of two function of x into e raised to 2x. So while obtaining y2 dash, you need product formula of derivative. Then this is a w. Put all the four values, simplify, you can get the value of w. By method of variation of parameter, pi is given by this formula, fine. And u, y1, y2 are known here above. We have to obtain the value of u and v. This is a formula for u. So put all the values here, simplify, you will find x into sec square x. Here is again a product x and sec square x. But these two are different types of the function. This x is a algebraic type, while sec square x is a trigonometric type. So we need to apply integration by parts. So when you apply integration by parts, we can obtain the value of u. Now this is a formula for v. Put all the values of y1, fx and w. We find here integration of sec square x, and there is standard formula, integration of sec square x is a tan x. So in this way we obtain value of pi, and again here you can see that okay, we obtain pi here, and after obtaining pi we can write the complete solution as y equal to CF plus pi. Put the value of CF, put the value of pi, and like this we can get answer of the problem. Now again I want to point out some important thing here. Look at this second example. Look at the function. It is like a e raised to 2x sec square x. So functions are new, and you can try this example also by shortcut method. So this example can also be solved by shortcut method, but it will become quite lengthy. Look at the first example. If you observe the first example, look at this right side. It is tan of 2x. Because here fx is tan of 2x, you cannot apply shortcut method, because the tan 2x does not fall in one of the 6 type, fine, or cannot be converted in the types, okay. And if you try for general method, alpha became complex number. So by general method, pi became very lengthy. But by method of variation of parameter, same problem became very easy. And you can see that the both example 1 and 2 have order 2, and hence we have applied this method. So method is very simple. We have to write the CF, get y1, y2, get w. pi has ready-made formula uy1 plus vy2, and u and v can be obtained by these two equations. So in this way we have introduced method of variation of parameters, and these are the this is the reference that we have used. It is a book written by Professor S.R. Sakre, B.S. Wage sir, and myself, S.M. Bhati. Thank you very much. So today we have completed method of variation of parameter. This is a very important method. When shortcut and general method fails, you can use method of variation of parameter. Thank you very much.